Welcome to IB.
Hello, I'm back. This is teacher Janet. So we are done with the arithmetic sequence. Now we are going to talk about the arithmetic series. So this is the sum of terms of an arithmetic sequence. It represents adding the terms of the sequence all together. So in this kind of series, it has two formulas. If the nth term or a sub n is given, and if the nth term is not yet given. So let's have first the first formula. Wherein the nth term is already given, so our formula will be S sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by the first term plus the nth term. And for the second formula, which is the nth term is not yet given or still unknown, we have S sub n is equal to n all over 2 multiplied by twice the first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by common difference. Again, when we say series, it is the sum, where the S sub n is the sum of the first n terms, A sub 1 is the first term, A sub n is the last n terms, and the D will be our common difference. Okay, so let's proceed with examples for you to understand the arithmetic series. Continue. So in this case, the first step will be the given. Let's list all the given. So the first term here is 4. The n is 15. And the d is, it keeps on adding 5. This is 5, and we need to look for the S sub n. So in this case, A sub n not yet, not given. So the formula that we are going to use is S sub n over 2 twice the term twice the first term plus n minus 1 times d. The solution, let's put all the given. Let's substitute all the given. S 12 15 Let's proceed with the solution. So S sub 15 divided by 2 times the first term, which is 4, plus the n 15 minus 1 times the common difference. So S sub 15 is equal to 7.5 times 8 plus 14 times 5. Let's continue the process. What is 14 times 5? 70. 7.5 times 78. The answer is 585. So 585. Therefore, the sum of the arithmetic sequence is 585. Let's apply what we have learned into the word problem. This is the scenario. Mang Tonyo is a Calesa driver in the historic streets of Vigan, Ilocos. On his first day, he earns 200 pesos. As more tourists visit throughout the week, his earnings increase by 100 pesos each day. If this pattern continues for 15 days, how much will Mang Tonyo earn in total? So let's write all the given based on the problem. So we have our first term. On his birthday, he earns 200. And what is the common difference? The earnings increase by 100 each day. And what if it continues into 15 days? So how much will Mang Tonyo earn in total? So that is how we are looking for. So in this case, since we don't know the last term, the second formula will be used. The formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 twice the first term plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. Let's substitute all the given. So this will be S of sub 15. 15 divided by 2 and then 200 plus 15 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 100. This is 7.5. 400 plus 14 times 100. So 7.5, 400 plus 1,400. So 7.5 times 1,800. The answer is 13,500. Therefore, Mang Tonyo will earn a total of 13,500 in 15 days. Alright, thank you for listening. Have a nice day ahead and happy learning. See you in our next video.